All right, good afternoon. Sorry for the delay in getting started. We had a hearing that ran a little longer. The court's going to take up the next case on the court's docket, which is C2000098 CPS. This is in the interest of Nevaeh Marie Diaz, a child. The case is set for a bench trial today. The hearing is being conducted pursuant to emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court via Zoom video conference. Participating in the hearing today on behalf of the department is caseworker Darcel Stewart. The department's representative is Jason Jett, who was just in a hearing with me, and I suspect he'll be showing up here in a moment. The mother of the child is Julie Monique Hinojosa. I believe Ms. Hinojosa is participating in our hearing today. The court had previously appointed Chris Flores as attorney ad litem for Ms. Hinojosa, and Mr. Flores had to withdraw from that appointment, and the court appointed Nathan Butler as substitute attorney ad litem for her, and Mr. Butler is present. The father of the child is Julian Andrew Diaz Jr., who I understand is incarcerated in a federal prison facility. He has signed a waiver of services citation that's on file with the court, and he is not present. The court would take position notice of the court's file to the extent it reflects. He has not made a request for a court-appointed attorney, and no attorney purporting to represent him is here an appearance in the case in his behalf. The attorney and guardian ad litem for the child is Emmett Fleming, and Mr. Fleming is present, and Mr. Jason Jett, the attorney for the department, has now joined the hearing. The child is excused from participating in the hearing today. As I noted earlier, the case is set for a bench trial today. Mr. Jett, where do we stand from the department's perspective on proceeding with the bench trial today? Department ready?
No, Your Honor, we are not. We would like to seek a continuance at this time. We have a dismissal date that's in about a month away. We expect some good positive changes within the next month. So we'd ask you to reset this, and then we try to get that taken care of by then. I don't think it's necessary for an extension right now, but I think we'll be asking for that in the form of a monitor to return a little down the road, and a short ways down the road, obviously.
So your request today is to continue the trial, you said it prior to the August 9th, 2021 dismissal day, with the anticipation that you would be requesting a monitor to return the child to the mother.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Butler, any objection to the motion?
No, Your Honor. I actually have not had an opportunity to speak to my client, but my anticipation from the notes that I've seen is that she's in agreement with this. Ms. Hinojosa, is that correct?
Ms. Hinojosa, can you?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay. Okay, you're in agreement with that. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Butler, did you need to confer with her further? If you do, I can.
I think that's fine for today, Your Honor. My understanding is she understands what's going on, and she wants to go forward in this manner. I do need a telephone number to get in touch with you, ma'am.
Do you have a number you can give Mr. Butler where he can reach you? I'm sorry, I think you're muted right now.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, can you relay that to her or to him?
It is 325-266-5882.
Okay, and I'll call you just as soon as we're done on here, okay?
Thank you. All right, Mr. Fleming, any objections to the motion?
No, Judge, I'm pleased that Mom was late to the table, but to all my understanding, Your Honor, is she very much has been serious about getting clean. So no objection.
All right, well, thank you. Well, based on the announcements of the parties and after taking position as the court's file, the court will find good and sufficient cause to grant the motion for continuance. I'm going to reset this case for trial on a date to be announced by the court prior to the August 9th, 2021 trial date. And also I'm required to notify any parent in this type of case that because of the nature of these proceedings, your parental custodial rights and duties to your children may be subject to restriction or even termination. Your progress on any court orders and plan of service will be reviewed at future hearings in this case, including at the trial. I'm happy to hear you making progress on your service plan. I encourage you to continue doing so. It sounds like the department may be working towards what's called a monitor return. If they do that and the court grants it, basically what that would mean is the children would be returned to your home and they'd still be in the temporary managing conservatorship of the department, but they'd be in your home with you taking care of them. The department have the right to make announced and unannounced visits to home, check on the safety and welfare of the children, or the child in this case, and also to help make sure that works if the child's returned to your care. So I encourage you to continue to work with them to see if we can get to that point. All right. Unless there's anything else, we'll be adjourned for the day.